Hi, my name is Lino Ment, and this is my Rube Goldberg machine for axis stem. So for the first mechanism, it will use air because fire needs air to work. So this fire will consume the match, melting the rubber band, which causes this pole to fall along this string, hitting this stick, causing this ball underneath to roll down the ramp using gravity, which will go into this bucket. By using water, this bucket will, the cup in there will sink the water, making it go all the way down, pulling this string, which is attached to a magnet using magnetism, pulling this ramp up, causing this ball to roll down the track, hit this cup, and spill onto our side with me. This is the result of my Rube Goldberg machine using gravity, water, air, and magnetism. So these are my Edison moments for my Rube Goldberg machine. My first Edison moment was that this hole right here, after it was burnt, would not fall along the correct path. So what I did to fix that was I stuck a string from here to the table, which would direct it correctly to the stick. My other Edison moment was that this ramp right here was too heavy. It was actually this old one right here. The water wasn't enough to pull it up, so I had to get a thinner piece of metal, which was this one, and then I had to cut it. And my most frustrating Edison moment was this mechanism right here. So what would happen was the water would not catch and it wouldn't make it sink. That was also because of how heavy it was. But we got a new ramp and it still wouldn't work. So what I ended up doing was I ended up putting oil up here, which decreased the friction. It still didn't work, but that's because these ropes were around the outside. So what I did is I drilled 2 holes that would lead to the cup down there. So that decreased the friction even more, and it finally worked. So those are my Edison moments. Actually, probably one of the most frustrating that really scared me was because today is actually the last day of summer, and so I only have one more day to work on it, and as you can see, it's cloudy today. And so I was going to use a magnifying glass to burn the rubber band, but I ended up realizing fire needs air, and air is one of the mechanisms, so I used air.